Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I have a really fun unboxing and review video for you today. So I'm going to put the clip of the unboxing and the initial impressions here in just a second, but that was filmed about 5 days ago now. And so I have been using the product for the last 5 days, and I do have some more thoughts and impressions of the product after using it a few days. And so I will be putting that at the end, so make sure you stick around for that. But right now, let's go into the unboxing. So not 2 weeks ago, I was sitting on this very porch chatting with you guys about exercise. We chatted about my exercise goals and how they've kind of changed. And in that video, I was talking about how I tend to pace inside the house to get my step goal in, because as wonderful as it is to get outside and get a nice walk in nature, that doesn't always happen for me because I am a stay-at-home mom. I have kids at home. I can't always be out and about. Also, the weather doesn't always cooperate. So sometimes I just, have to rely on steps inside the house. And on that video, I had a suggestion from a couple people about trying to get a walking pad. And I was like, oh yeah, a walking pad looks really cool. Maybe I'll get one in the future. Well, right after that, I was contacted by a company, by Ancheer, and they asked if they could send me a walking pad to review for you guys. I was so excited. I said yes immediately. So it just came today, and we are going to open it up, do an unboxing, look at all the features, and try it out together. So here is the giant box. Shipping was incredibly fast. I could not believe how fast this got here. And we're just gonna do the unboxing. Okay, so it has wheels, so it's easy to wheel out from under a bed. I'm planning on sliding it right under my bed in the bedroom. I have my desk in there, so if I want to do a standing desk, treadmill desk, I can do that in there. But then it's not difficult to move either, so if I want to take it down to the basement when we watch a movie or something, that would be totally doable too. Let me read the manual real quick and we'll get it plugged in and give it a try for the first time. Very important before first use, I'm going to apply the lubricant oil. And basically you just lift up the running belt and put the lubrication on there and spread it all around. I got the battery installed into the little remote control. I'm gonna turn this on and the little display turns on. There's the display, and I'm going to go ahead and take off the protective coating. So with the remote, this should start it. And it does start slowly, it said. Oh, there it goes. How exciting. And then you can press the plus button to go faster. Put it up a little bit higher. So you may have noticed this is a little bit of an inclined walking pad. Some of them are just flat. This one has, I think, a 5% incline, which, burns extra calories and is that much more of a workout. The display cycles through a few different things. This is miles per hour, and then time, and then distance in miles, calories, and number of steps. So like I said, this is not going to replace outdoor walks and hikes and stuff, but what I'm really excited about is getting my steps in inclement weather. And then also, if I'm sitting and watching a show, I could just be on the walking pad and getting steps in at a time when normally I would just be sitting. And then also, I'm gonna get kind of a platform for my desk so that I can edit videos, because my job involves the computer. It involves a lot of screen time. And if I can be getting steps in while getting that work done, it just adds activity to something that's usually sedentary. Thanks again to Ancheer for sending this over. I will have a link down below if you're interested in checking it out. I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up in my bedroom, and I'm gonna be playing with it all day long. I'm probably gonna get a ton of steps in today just because I'm so excited about this. So now that I have been using this walking pad for about 5 days, I had some updated thoughts, some more thoughts and impressions. First impression is that this piece of equipment is very heavy duty. It's very well made. It doesn't seem light or cheap at all. I can't obviously speak to longevity at this point because I've only had it for 5 days, but it seems very solid and I'm expecting it to last for a good long time. The walking pad does have lights on the side, something that I didn't really notice until I got it indoors. They got this nice little neon stripe on the side that cycles between blue and green, which is just fun. The instruction manual was really easy to read and understand, and I noticed after my initial unboxing that the belt was a little bit off center, and so in the manual it has instructions on how to adjust that. They have a little tool that comes with the walking pad, and it's like just turning a little bolt on one side or the other depending on where the belt is, and the instruction manual was really clear, easy to understand. I was able to fix the belt, get it centered again, and in 5 days of using it, it hasn't gotten out of center again. So it was a really quick and easy fix. As I mentioned in the unboxing, this walking pad does have a 5% incline, and that doesn't seem like a lot. It doesn't look like a lot, but you do actually get more of a workout with the incline. I could feel it in my calves. I definitely felt like I got a little more sweaty than just walking around the house on a flat surface. So you're gonna get, more of a calorie burn with the same speed of steps, and then you're also gonna get, the calf work and all of that. So it's gonna be kind of a individual basis whether you want that or you want something more flat that's, less of a workout. That's going to depend on your preferences, but I definitely did see that it was a better workout than just walking on a flat surface. Now let's talk about my step goal. So I use a Fitbit to track my steps. I've been using a Fitbit for many, many years, off and on. But I had my step goal set at 10,000 before I got this walking pad. And I would make that goal probably around 50% of the time. And since I got this walking pad and I'm trying to get some of my downtime turned into more active time, I was like, I'm gonna up my step goal, and I upped it to 13,000 steps. And in the last 5 days, I have met my step goal every single day, and several days I actually exceeded it up to like 15,000 steps. And it does take, you have to do it. You have to put in the effort of getting on the walking pad and, instead of sitting, which sounds nicer in the moment. But I found that getting those extra steps in didn't cost me extra time. It was just taking the time that I would have been sitting doing work or, vegging out, watching YouTube. I was able to take that time and turn it into active time. So I was able to still get all the other stuff done that I needed to get done, but then also get more steps and hit that 13,000 or more step goal every day. So definitely a win in that area. I am absolutely loving having this walking pad, and I do see myself using it every single day. It's just gonna be part of my regular routine from now on. So I will have all of the details about the walking pad that I have down in the description, so definitely check that out if you are interested. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you again in the next one.